Welcome to this tutorial video. In this tutorial video, we'll go over how to navigate the settings screen in the GoodX web app. The settings screen is where you can customize the system to fit the exact needs of your practice. A few small tweaks here and there can make a big difference in your day-to-day operations. The settings screen is where you align the software with your practice's workflow, whether it's billing, clinical tools, your diary, or even user permissions. Getting this right helps you stay compliant, work efficiently, and deliver a seamless patient experience. To get started, click on the Settings button in the navigation bar. The screen will open on the User Settings tab by default. Let's take a quick tour of the tabs available. Each one controls a different part of how your GoodX system behaves. First up is User Settings. These are set per user and control how features appear and work for that specific user. It's important to note that the user settings always override entity settings. For more information regarding all the user settings, please refer to the User Setting User Manual linked in this video's description. Next, we have User Entity Settings. These are more specific. They're set for a user within a particular entity, perfect for users who work across different practices or roles. For more information regarding all the user entity settings, please refer to the User Entity Settings, Navigation and Use User Manual linked in this video's description. Then we have Diary Settings. This is where you control things like consultation types, durations, booking intervals, and practitioner availability. Please note that you will need to configure these settings for each diary in use. For instance, the diary setting for Dr. GP will not cross over to another practitioner's diary within the entity. The settings will strictly apply to Dr. GP. For more information regarding all the diary settings, please refer to the Diary Settings User Manual linked in this video's description. Under Entity Settings, you can configure preferences like VoIP, online profiles, tasks, document templates, and case management tools. Unlike the diary settings, user entity settings changes will apply to the entire entity, meaning all practitioners will be subject to the changes made here. For more information regarding entity settings, please refer to the Entity Settings, Navigation and Use User Manual linked in this video's description. The Entity Setup tab is where you link treating practitioners, assistants, system users, and manage which services your practice is subscribed to. Super useful for scheduling, billing, and reporting accuracy. And lastly, we've got Billing Settings. You can tailor your billing to speed up your billing process using macros, clinical procedures, and script macros. It's all about saving time while staying accurate. For more information regarding billing settings, please refer to the Billing Settings User Manual linked in this video's description. And that's your guided tour of the settings screen in your GoodX web app. For detailed info on each section, you'll find individual user manuals linked within the user manuals mentioned throughout this video. If you ever need help configuring your settings, or if you're not sure where to start, reach out to our support team and they will be happy to help you with your settings.